In this video, I'm out in Palmetto, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour of two new construction homes that are complete, ready to go, and have massive builder incentives. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay Area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below, but enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, so this is the Sanibel floor plan with the Tuscan elevation. It is a 3-bedroom plus a study, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,082 square feet. Currently listed at $494,900. Let me pan around, show you what it looks like right over here. Then we'll go inside and take a look. And on this one, I know they're still doing some work on the inside, so we may run into a couple guys working. But let's go inside, take a look. I like the stone on the front. Let me know what you think about that. It's a nice little touch on it. When you come in the front door, you have your tile flooring. To the left is going to be your dining room. And then this one, they have set up as a flex room or den or bonus room, whatever you want to call it, with the French doors with the glass. And then the next one you see, the next property you'll see in this video, they made this a 4th bedroom. So there's options if you build from scratch. Coming on in, directly ahead is going to be your coat closet. And then to the right, let's go out to the laundry room right here. As you can see, they're still doing some final touches. And then this goes out to your 2-car garage. The water heater in the corner there. And you can get, like if you're building from scratch, you can get a tankless water heater instead of the water heater there. So you come on in to the bathroom, you have, it looks like blue, navy blue cabinets. You have the quartz countertops, and then your tile around the tub and shower combo. And then right here is going to be your linen closet, which is actually a nice size linen closet. All right, coming on out, you have bedroom number 1 right here. There are no can lights in these bedrooms. You just have the one pre-wire above for a ceiling fan. And then a bedroom number 2 right around the corner. These are the exact same size, just obviously flipped. And then you're coming on down the hall, come right into the kitchen. So your refrigerator would be right there. You have your white cabinets, your quartz countertops, your gas range there, microwave above, and then you have your single bowl undermount sink there. Then they have the blue for the island, the 2 pendants above, and then on the back wall there, you could do, I've seen it where they have, extra cabinets or like a separate like a desk or something like that if you wanted to. And then this would be your little cafe area here. Put a little breakfast table. And then you have your walk-in pantry right here. And then on over here, living room / family room. Nice size area here. Behind that door is going to be your air handler. And then back here is going to be your master suite. So nice size bedroom. I'm not sure if you noticed, they do have 8-foot doors throughout. That's a nice touch as well. And then into the bathroom, you're gonna have your walk-in shower. And then let's gray cabinets here. The quartz countertops. You have your 2 medicine cabinets there, dual vanity. And then your nice size walk-in closet. And then behind this door is going to be your toilet. All right, let's go outside. Take a look at the covered lanai and the backyard on this one. Get your triple sliders there. And I forgot to mention, these are impact rated glass and windows. Since you are a little bit closer to the water here, they include them here. So this is gonna be your lanai here. I believe it's like 20 foot. If you're built from scratch, you're gonna extend it all the way the length of the house. And then this one, you do have a pond view. Back here. And this is the back of that one. So let me know what you think about this in the comments below. This one's the Sanibel floor plan with the French country elevation. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,082 square feet. Currently listed at $499,900. Let me pan around and show you what it looks like on this side of the neighborhood. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one. Nice gray exterior. Let's go see if there's any difference between this one and the other Sanibel that was $5,000 less. You come in, you have your tile floor, and to the left on this one, they set it up as a 4th bedroom. So you do have the can lights in here. And then your dining room would be right here. Coming on in, it's gonna be your coat closet right there. And then to the right, you're gonna have a bathroom with the white cabinets, the quartz countertops on here. And then you have your tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And then a nice size linen closet there. Directly out of the bathroom is going to be your laundry room. And then that's going to lead out to your 2-car garage. They do have the epoxy on the floor out here. Water softener loop in the corner there, water heater. And then when you come in out of the garage and go through the laundry room, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms to the right. These also have the can lights and the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. And then bedroom number 3. All right. Continuing on, you come into the kitchen. Refrigerator would go there. And then this one has the slide-in range, the microwave above the range. Undermount sink. It is granite countertops in the kitchen, which is kind of weird why they did granite in the kitchen and quartz in the bathroom. But yeah. And then you have this wall here. I've seen some of these where they have extra set of cabinets and then like a countertop below set up as like a desk. And then you have your walk-in pantry right here. And then this area here with the extra can lights here, they call this a cafe area. So if you wanted to put a little table here or something, you could. Then you have a little archway there that leads into the family room / living room. Some of them have windows added in there. This obviously does not. And then you have the triple sliders there. Air handler behind that door. And then over here is going to be the master bedroom. You do have the 4 can lights, the pre-wire in the middle for the ceiling fan. Nice big room. It's really deep too. I mean, you sit back here, throw a 75-inch TV up there and it would not look big. All right, you come in, you have your walk-in shower here. And then you also have the rain shower head above. And then the quartz here, which once again, I don't know why they did quartz in the bathrooms and not in the kitchen, but I didn't design the house. Maybe some people like granite more than quartz, but let me know, do you like granite or do you like quartz for your countertops? I prefer quartz. All right, let's go outside. Take a look at this covered lanai. So out here you have your triple sliders. And then you come out here. It is plumbed. There's a gas line right there. And then you have this covered lanai. There are some that are extended all the way down. I know when you're building out, I think if you go all the way down, it's an extra $20,000 or so. And then you have your backyard back here, which this is a nice lot because there's nobody behind you. The yard itself comes all the way out to, you know, right here. And then you have all this open space behind you, the pond there. And that is the back of this one. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. And if you're out in Palmetto, stop at Woody's and have a beer. But until next video, take care.